Hi, and welcome to this video on my favorite book to share with a pre-reader. I'm so excited to share these books with you today because I think this is a kind of book that a lot of people don't even know exists, and they are so wonderful for kids who are just learning how to read. If you haven't yet, please hit like on this video and subscribe to the channel so that you get notified whenever a new video is released. So the kind of book that I want to share with you today is called a Rebus. And a lot of people have not actually heard of a rebus. And so I want to show you one so that you can see what I mean. So this book is an example of a rebus. It's called I'm Taking a Trip on My Train. And this book is written by Shirley Neitzel. So this book is out of print, but there are lots of other rebuses that are still available. And the thing that makes this book unique is that the words have some pictures. So some of the words have been replaced by a picture. So on this page, it says, from my locomotive, shiny and black, but instead of the word locomotive, they've replaced that word with this picture of the train. So as you're reading the book, you can read the words and kids can read the pictures. These books are really fun for kids that are pre-readers, and I just wanted to share a couple of benefits of choosing books that are rebuses for your kids. The first benefit is that kids can read these books, and it's a lot of fun for them to be able to read the pictures along with you when you read the words. Kids that are pre-readers really love being able to have that skill of being a reader. It makes them feel really grown up, and that's a huge benefit of reading a book like this. Another benefit is that because the pictures are in with the words, it encourages kids to follow along with the words as you're reading them. And as a parent, you can really help your child by actually pointing to the words as you read them. So you're just going to run your finger along the line of text underneath the words as you read. This is really helpful for kids because it will allow them to learn by osmosis that we read words from the top of the page to the bottom and from the left to the right. And they'll start to see that just as they're following along the lines and the words with you. They'll also start to recognize specific words and letters as you read the same story over and over and over again with your child. And that's another huge benefit of choosing a Rebus book. Finally, these books are a lot of fun for kids, and they really help them to gain confidence because even kids that don't know how to sound out words on their own can help you to read this book. And anytime that you can read a book alongside with your child, that's a huge confidence booster for them in their reading skills and in their ability to be able to read. So those are some huge benefits of a Rebus book. Definitely look for these. You can usually find them, at least a few of them, at your library. If you're not sure where, you can ask the librarian, and a lot of times they can point you to these books, or you can search for them as well on Amazon.